This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and probe readiness. This matters because unreliable power causes false triggers. Mount the L40 probe tightly and set the machine to its tool 0. Once done, jog to a safe pre-measure position, lower slowly until the probe LED blinks. Make sure to use 1 mm cursor for consistent offset establishment. You want repeatable contact points. After contact, save the trigger offset to the controller immediately because delays can shift coordinates. Now execute the edge finding routine. Approach the work at a controlled speed so the stylus deflects predictably. You should touch each edge once, then repeat 2 more times. Averaging 3 measurements reduces noise and thermal drift. Once you have X and Y centers, compute the tool offset and load it into the controller. This aligns your CAM coordinates to actual part position. Make sure to verify by moving to the computed center and visually confirming the position before cutting. Finish by running a slow verify pass to confirm the location. This catches any last-minute shifts. If you see more than 0.05 mm deviation, repeat the edge find sequence immediately because small errors multiply during machining. Make sure to recalibrate after tool changes or temperature shifts. If things go wrong, probe misses or inconsistent triggers, inspect the stylus tip for wear, check the cable connections and battery, and then rerun one quick touch to validate the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.